everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to log in Amazon credit card account. So for that, what you need to do is open a Google browser on your PC and then click open a new tab. There on the search bar, you need to type in Amazon credit card login and press enter. It will show you the search result for the credit card login of Amazon. So basically you can log in into the credit card of your Amazon account through different banks, that is the bank account or the credit card that you have of a certain bank. So here you can see on the search result there are different bank options available on the search result, that is the Chase Bank, Synchronim Bank and all the other options over here. So from here you need to click upon the link that is related to the credit card or the bank account of yours. So here on this web page you need to type in your user ID and the password for your bank account or the credit card of yours. Type in the details and then below type in the password. Then click on secure login. This will get you logged in into the bank credit card account, that is the Amazon credit card as well. Here you can see the Amazon. So this is how you can easily log into Amazon credit card account of yours. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.